how the heat just makes those insects so happy, doesn't it?
It really does. It really does. It kind of sounds like, does it almost sound like we're starting to complain a little bit about the heat? Is that possible?
No, people don't complain about the weather.
No.
I don't know what you're talking about there. Yeah, a couple maybe complaints today. Very warm outside, 95 degrees. That's pretty hot any time of the year, let alone here in early to mid-June. It's going to be our second heat wave of the year so far. And oddly enough, that's never happened this early in a season before. Those records go back to 1872 in Boston. We had the first one in May, and today tied the hottest day during that streak, 95 degrees in the city of Boston. So we average about 15 90-plus days for a whole year. Tomorrow will be number 6, so we're going to be almost to the halfway point here before we even get to the heart of summer. Usually most of those come in July, August, and early September. So currently we're at 94, 88 in Plymouth. We've cooled off to 75 in Chatham, but much of Cape Cod was right around 90 degrees for a time this afternoon. So that heat right onto the shoreline. Plenty of warmth across the east, and we've got one more day of this to go before we'll start to see some changes. Humidity hasn't been a big issue today. Dew points in the 50s to around 60, so it's a little bit muggy outside. You will notice that mugginess start to increase tonight, and tomorrow is the peak humidity before we start to get some dry air. So tonight we're looking at lows near 75 in Boston, but the suburbs about 65 to 70. It's going to be the most uncomfortable night of this stretch, and I'm sure there'll be more than a few air conditioners running outside. Then tomorrow we'll start to track that incoming front that brings about change. So the morning is dry. Most of the storm potential is between 2 in the afternoon and 8 in the early evening. And I think the highest chance of a storm will be along and south of the Mass Pike. So drier conditions expected across Vermont and New Hampshire, as well as northern Mass. Highest potential for storms will be in Connecticut, Rhode Island, and southeastern Massachusetts. Could see some really heavy rain locally. They'll be isolated. Also some large hail, gusty winds possible with any of these storms. And then we'll start to dry out as we move past 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Before we get there, though, it's another day in the 90s across pretty much all of the region. We could see close to record temperatures, but I don't think we'll get there tomorrow. Warm enough, no question. And another beach day. If you're heading to the shore, just keep in mind, you have to watch the skies, especially South Shore, Cape Cod, and the South Coast. Our water temps are starting to warm up a little bit here over the last couple of days. Lots of sunshine, plenty of heat. Now seeing a couple buoys around 60 degrees. It's not a sauna outside, but it's definitely starting to get a little bit closer to what you'd like to see in the summer. When it comes to the humidity, we've got those high dew points tomorrow into tomorrow evening. Slowly tomorrow night, we'll bring in that dry air from north to south, and by the time you wake up on Wednesday morning, a much more crisp and refreshing feel to the air. And a gorgeous couple of days, middle of the week. Wednesday and Thursday, it's 70s, it's sunshine, it's not much wind. It is perfect outdoor weather without the big heat. Then we'll start to change again as we move toward the weekend. Humidity begins to creep up on Friday with some scattered showers and downpours arriving during the afternoon. A couple scattered showers on Saturday, and then on Sunday a chance for a few thunderstorms as well, and things will start to warm up again. So after a pretty long, mainly dry stretch, we'll start to bring back some of that rain. So there's the 7-day outlook. Beautiful Wednesday, Thursday. Friday brings in that rain chance and starts to get steamy by Sunday, Father's Day, 86 with a chance of storms. David and Paula, back to you.
And forget the dads. No. Well, new tonight at